4th of July.
Okay, she'd make cream puffs.
Oh, your mother would make cream puffs on the 4th of July.
I think it was in the summer sometime.
I love cream puffs.
Everything happened at 4th of July. No, but she made cream puffs when we had company, you can say.
Do you still like cream puffs?
We don't make them.
Made 'em.
I don't know how she made them.
I think we made them once.
Huh?
I think we made them once.
Oh. Maybe I didn't remember how she did it.
I'll bring you some. I have a state fair winning recipe.
Huh? You have what?
I have a good recipe for cream puffs.
Have you?
So I'll bring you some.
You make me a cream puff.
I'll turn you into a cream puff.
Yeah, I just wanted to bring that up.
That's neat. That's neat. So, how did you meet your husband?
Huh?
How did you meet your husband?
On a blind date.
On a blind date.
Yeah.
At MSU.
At MSU.
Have you? Is that how you met yours?
No, I met mine at church.
Oh.
At that time it was Michigan State College. You know,
Oh, okay.
back when, but yeah.
That's neat. So you got to go to college.
Huh?
How did you pay for college? Did you work through college?
No.
You just got to go? That's good.
My dad put me through.
That's good.
But you know, it didn't cost so much to go to college.
I
when
know.
went.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
It's crazy how much it's gone
My
up.
sister and I were both in college at the same time.
Yeah.
In the last 2 years. I was there 2 years, and then the next 2 years my sister was in college. But I never see her, hardly. She lived in a different dormitory.
How long did you date your husband for?
Huh?
How long did you date before you got married?
Years.
Really? That's good.
I don't know. I was in my 30s.
That's neat.
I was kind of old.
That's when she got married, in her 30s.
Okay. So you met him in college. Did you get to graduate college?
Yeah.
Did you
Sure.
graduate?
Both of us, you know, got through college all right.
I think Mom was 1938.
Wow.
And
Where did you, oh, you said MSU.
she's a registered dietitian.
Oh, registered dietitian.
Hmm.
Say it a little older.
So you graduated in nutrition? Is that what you went
Food
to?
and nutrition.
Food and nutrition. Okay.